Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usama. I'm Director Sales and Marketing for Agro Asia Tractors. This is our first appearance in any of the exhibition in Pakistan. It has been a wonderful experience, and the TDAP, all the organizers, even especially I would like to thank our product officer, Ms. Kashmala Javed. She has been tremendous, very supportive, and throughout cooperative, and even the small hiccups which was appearing, she was handling it brilliantly. And we had a very wonderful experience, and Alhamdulillah, we have managed to secure and we have just received the confirmation of the payment as well of about $250,000 order from Nigeria of about 18 units of tractors. And we are also in negotiations with a couple of potential buyers, and inshallah I'm sure that through the platform of TDAP and through this engineering and healthcare show, we will be penetrating well in the market, which was lacking before, but through the guidance of our product officers. And I also would like to thank one of the officers from Nigeria, Mr. Ali Tamkeen Butt. When we went to the Nigeria in the second Africa trade show, which was held in Lagos, he has been a wonderful mentor to us. There was very supportive, and he was kind enough to guide us and take us through to the buyers and linking with us. So I would like to thank the Ministry of Commerce, TDAP, and everyone who is involved, on the screen, off the screen, on the camera, off the camera, that it has been a wonderful experience, and I hope that they will arrange more shows, and we will definitely are very much encouraged to appear again. So thanks a lot, TDAP, thanks a lot, and I hope that other participants will get more business and good opportunities as we have got. So thank you very much, TDAP.